Hello everyone. Let's share the screen. Hello, hello, hello. Am I audible and visible to all? Hello everyone. Am I audible and visible to all? Hello. Uh, line here. Let's wait. Hello, hello. Am I audible? Yeah, day four. Yeah. अच्छा. Sorry यार. कैसे आएगा? मैंने नहीं किया है. Yes, you are audible. ठीक है. ठीक है. So, let's do some. I was searching about some machine. Let's beginner level one machine. Yeah, there's one person I can't understand that language. EAR, some anything else. Can you simply write in English or basic fantastic होगा ना? One पे आई नहीं. Yeah, basic pen testing we have done. No benefit. Well, singles. This is a machine. I think I today I should solve it. I don't know how. Okay, so let's do this. I'm waiting for some other people to come. Hello, AI Watson. DSCP enabled है. IP एड्रेस ऑटोमेटिकली असाइन हो जाएगा. वर्चुअल होस्ट में डालने की जरूरत नहीं. फाइल साइज 2 GB का डाउनलोड कर लो पहले. फाइल इंफॉर्मेशन मैपिंग डॉट ओवीए डेस्कटॉप पे लगा देता हूँ. या डेस्कटॉप पे लगा देते हैं, देखा जाएगा. फिर ठीक है. So it will take some time. Good evening. अभी था वर्चुअल मशीन है. लिनक्स बेस्ड है. नेटवर्किंग इनेबल्ड है. स्क्रीनशॉट है. सम वी हैव यूजर नेम स्क्रीनशॉट. Screenshot. This is generally a machine opening screenshot. Walkthrough भी है available इसका. Not. Let's just blindfold it. Good evening, Abhita. अरे यार ये थोड़ा दिक्कत है क्या कुछ. So just waiting to everyone come. So sorry. Everyone सब आ गया क्या? कल लास्ट क्लास में क्या हुआ था? ये तो गलत क्वेश्चन है ना. Today's topic a practice on. Okay. टाइम लगेगा यार इस मशीन में. हेलो, आई एम नाइस. मशीन में टाइम लगेगा. असेंबली मशीन कोई हो. चलो, वी शुड गो विद हैक. हैक द बॉक्स पे चलते हैं यार. लीव इट. By the way, I will do the live practice there. I have one way. टीवी की खासियत है. गुड इवनिंग प्रेजेंट सर. अरे यार, सोमनाथ, सिर्फ अटेंडेंस के लिए मत आओ. यू शुड लर्न समथिंग. बाय द वे, सोमनाथ. PARHUHULU. What are you saying? Can you speak in some language I know? Hindi, English. I should. Good evening, Divya. Shino. एक मॉड्यूल था लिनक्स बेसिक्स के नेम से, वो स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो या, वी शुड गो विद लिनक्स बेसिक्स. Many people were asking about the Linux part. Nitin, much how MD5 hash work. Good evening, Daksh. Good evening, Hazel. अरे, so Linux. इंटरनेट इशू क्या आ रहा है तुम सबको क्या? नो, आई डोंट थिंक सो. Just wait for a minute. Some issue is there with internet speed. Hacking WordPress. Do you know what is WordPress? Anyone knows about it? सर CTF का कब तक स्टार्ट होगा? जैसा, तुम CTF खुद कर सकते हो. Like you can go to Pico CTF and try the CTF by yourself. Because when I do the CTF part, some people say like it's not right, sir. You are doing. I'm for everyone. I'm skipping this machine now because ये टाइम बहुत लेगा. हाँ, वेबसाइट होस्ट कर सकते हैं आप. आई एम स्किपिंग दिस मशीन नाउ बिकॉज इट विल टेक टू मच टाइम फॉर मी टू सॉल्व. टू मच तो नहीं, बट ला टाइम लेगा यार ये. हाँ यार, आज लिनक्स पे के साथ चलेंगे यार. Many people are there who don't know how the Linux works and how powerful it is and why to switch into Linux. Hmm. Linux fundamentals. Sir, what is CTF? देखो ना, some people are also there who doesn't know the meaning of the CTF. And some people are saying to solve the CTF. CTF is a capture the flag events. Like you, we will do it a little bit of it now. Aman, hi, hi, hi. So let's start this module. Linux fundamental प्राइवेट का मॉड्यूल है ये. So Linux का जनरली आपको हिस्ट्री पता होनी चाहिए. Like Linux is operating system that were Dennis Richard. You know this person. You, I think you are doing napping. Switch to. Yeah, I was thinking of solving napping, but I think it will be a little bit advanced topic for everyone because this is a beginner sessions. I don't think to go with some stuff who single person can only understand. That's why. Earlier I was thinking of doing it, but in the middle I thought, nah, Ken Thompson. You should know these persons. नहीं यार, ये पर्सन नहीं है जिसकी वो बात कर रहा था, ये वो पुरानी फोटो है उसकी. Leave it. So Linux is a revolutionary product, a open source software that doesn't charge for anything. It is already made on open source tools. So earlier Linux was also known as Unix. Okay. So generally, these are the components of the Linux of any OS. You can say graphics server, you know about it. OS kernel that interacts with the hardware part. So Linux architecture works on this way. Like hardware, there is a hardware, then kernel part like CPU and IO devices, many memory allocation, SS data, many things. Then there is a shell that used to command line interface that we can interact with kernel. Like this is bash shell. You can see system utility, the things you used. So Linux is divided into file system. Everyone who want to see this file system, I will let you know. Like you simply for any Linux, you have to go to the root directory, and you will see ls and you will see this file system. Bin boot dev, you will see this. So this is a general file system for Linux. So yeah, that's all about it. Like these are the different files available on it. Like many, these files can have some their own purpose on the Linux system. Yep. Everyone is clear with this part. This is how Linux works. Clause, I think you will be eligible. So Linux distros are there are many Linux distro. Like Ubuntu is a free for one part, I think. Fedora is totally free. CentOS was there. Debian is there. This is a paid that pays for this. Like this is paid enterprise. Many Linux user desktop came because it is a free, open source, and highly customizable. These things make Linux what the Linux is. Okay. Finally, we are cybersecurity specialists often prefer Linux because it's open source, meaning its source code is available for the security नहीं ये पता नहीं क्या लिखा हुआ and customization. Because of such customization, we can optimally customize on Linux distribution. Like this is the customization I do. Like you can do is you can change the window manager. Like if you want to look at like window, like this is a little bit looks about window. You can customize everything in Linux. Like someday there was a I was doing changes with the config file and my छोड़ो जो मेरी escape की है ना वो लिबर ऑफिस खोलने लग गई थी ये काफी फेमस इश्यूज है कुछ ये होता है आई वाज टू डूइंग समथिंग विद लिनक्स एंड माय मतलब यहाँ पे भी वैसे लाइक यू कैन सी इट सो या config files are there. So Debian, we generally use Debian because an advanced package tool, APT, sudo apt install, you have used this, like a repository having all the tools and you call for specific tool you want. Debian also has steeper learning curve than other distribution, but is widely regarded as one of the most flexible and customizable Linux distro. Debian, you can, it's most stable, you will say, and customizable thing you will have. So Linux works on file contents and files and directory sections. Stability and reliability are key strength of the Debian. Debian is versatile Linux distribution. This is widely used for the range of purposes. Its stability, reliability, and commitment to security make it an attractive choice for various uses. Yep. Everyone is clear with the Linux distros like Debian, Ubuntu, and there are many more. अरे आज बच्चे कम आए हैं क्या आज रिप्लाईज भी बहुत कम आ रहे हैं So everyone should introduction. I should introduce you with the shell. This is shell. This is shell. Okay. You can directly access the kernel with it. Like one thing you will see here. I will let you know. अरे यार, we talk. You will see a little bit difference here if it's shown. Mhm. So in Linux now you use क्या कहते हैं उसको. So these are the processes here working on the Linux. Like there are different users on you can create. Like for Windows, it's paid for many users, but for Linux it's free. You can synchronize different users at the same times. Well, one CPU can be shared with two users at the same time. So that's why there is only desktop distribution. No, no. आप Linux पे जाइए. Like I know of one famous distribution, Kali Linux, and you will see its compatibility. Linux is compatible with mobile, ARM devices, cloud devices, containers, live boot, WSL, and many more. Linux is everywhere. Like cloud पे चलता है, containers पे चलता है, Hyper-V पे चलता है. It works everywhere, यार. Linux is this is what the code है का यार. कौन सी language है यार? ये they wrote the okay Google है. So Linux terminals is also called shell. जैसे Windows में होता है ना, command line. Sir, what is try hack me? It's a similar side to hack the box, but little bit for beginner level. Like it's little bit of easy thing. Okay. So terminal and illuminator is a GUI part for the command line interface. Additionally, ये आप छोड़ दो. Like this, there are some command to access something. Like this command I run is a btop command. Okay, this command here is a btop command. It gives the information about my like current memory usage, current file processes that are running on my system. I can easily access the process. Like this is the CPU utilization. It can work. So you will see the browsers use the most of the CPU. ठीक है, ये बीटॉप खुद का ही प्रोसेस है. डॉल्फिन मेरा फाइल मैनेजर है. लाइक दिस इज माय. अरे यार ठीक है वो समथिंग चेंज ना. हुआ नहीं डिफरेंट. छोड़ो. तो या so that's how the Linux works. Brown shell we generally use. The full form of bash is brown again shell. अगर मैं गलत बोल रहा हूँ तो सॉरी बट बी टॉप एच टॉप टॉप या बीट एच टॉप इज आई थिंक मेरे पास एच टॉप भी होगा ना. एच टॉप तो बाय डिफॉल्ट होता है. नहीं होता. एच टॉप नहीं होता क्या? sudo apt install. That's advanced package tracer. जो भी नाम था I was talking about it. You can easily install anything. Like you don't have to find any file for this. If there it is in your repository, you can easily find it and work it. Like now I can run the stop. Yeah, थोड़ा colorful नहीं है but works good. This is a stop part. So yeah, it's also good. Okay, so beside the bash, there also exists another shell. Like I use ZSH. Some people use fish shell. Some use KSH. I use ZSH. I don't know why, but I use it. Like ब्राउन शेल ठीक है. डिफॉल्ट है जैसे ये बैश मैंने अभी दिखाया. ये ZSH है. बैश लुक लाइक दिस. ZSH लुक लाइक दिस. ZSH इज इन रियलिटी कस्टमाइजेबल. लाइक ये जो चीज है ना. लाइक आई डन इट माई सेल्फ. Vijay, sir, you reassemble Pavneet Singh YouTube. Thank you, I think. I don't know who are they are. The brush prompt is simply by default your information. Like prompt description, you will see nothing important. Bash पे आप जाओगे ना. जैसे ये bash है. So this dollar sign के बाद आपने लिखना. You have to write anything above after this dollar sign. Here your username and default will be here. You are in the root directory, home directory right now. For root directory, the root is declared like this hash slash sorry. So now you are in root directory. If I want to go to home directory, I can generally simply do cd. If I want to go to desktop, you can choose change directory command. You will also now ch नहीं आना था ना अरे sorry, like you can change directory by this. Now you are in a desktop directory, like in the home, then slash is for some another directory here, and then after that I am in the home directory. They are optimized ZSH है. Baki everyone has a different definition about ZSH. Like uh, for simple this thing, you can say that they are different display managers like Genome, KD, LightDM, and many more. Genome generally don't go good with the NVIDIA drivers, NVIDIA graphic card, but KD works well with it. Also, XFCE also works well it. So PS1 is a variable Linux system. You control how your command prompt looks like in the terminal. Like ये आप file customize कर सकते हो. So yeah, it's something special characters here. Let's see use. I never used those special characters. Unprivileged shall look like this and privileged shall look like this. So I will show you. Let's go to bash for better default. Privileged shell is like I have sudo root. So unprivileged is a dollar sign and privileged is a hash sign. You will see the difference here. Like it's a hash and it's a dollar sign here. So I have privilege to install anything here or do anything. Like I am the super user. Sudo su का meaning ही होता है super user. So yeah. So they are different like customer current time. Like you can use this I think. चलता है कि नहीं I don't know. मैंने कभी use नहीं किया ये. I don't know how this works. Command not from चलेगा. अरे ये तो अलग चाहिए था ना. स्पेशल कैरेक्टर तो किसी के साथ आएंगे ना सॉरी सॉरी माय बैड. So getting help, you for like there is a ls command to list everything on the system. Yeah, Sadi Khan is right. Middev anything group bro. ये नहीं समझ नहीं आया क्या करना. So by using the man command, you can get any information about the tool. Like I want the information about the ls, so I simply go. Let's clear it out. Clear command is also there. I will go with man ls or some change anything. Man sudo. It works. Yeah. So here is the whole description about it. Like sudo allows you to potentially use this is everything you need to know what sudo is here. And there are some you can say options. Aditi Raj, welcome. Hello. Hmm, like I will show you this. These are generally called flags. Like I will use this use like ls is normally like this, and if I go with this, you will see the dot files here are na. You will not see here. The any file that start with dot is a hidden file. Yeah, LSLA also works. Like you will know the how these files were written. Like which permission I have. Read and write, directory read and write, execute, read and read, write, execute. So you will know about it. अरे यार. What is GEC? I also don't know. GEC. GEC क्या है? नो आइडिया. कुछ लिनक्स कमांड तो नहीं है जो मुझे नहीं आती, या कोई रहना कमांड है. चलो लीव दैट. So yeah, let's again go with Linux basics. So man, you know everything clear about man. So अगर आपको if next time you don't know any command, just do the man and you will know about everything. No, that from that in college short form. Okay, 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 okay. Okay. Sorry, college not college. अरे यार, please speak in language that I know now. Everyone, it's clear. So help command is also there. If not, do you not want like there is some different levels about it? I should clear it. I should make it enlarged. ये तो बाद में लोग कहेंगे मुझे. Okay. So yes, clear DevTown. Thank you. नहीं इटली ये क्या कहते हैं ये. Sir, what is CUID bit set? ये छोड़ दो आप अभी. So it's interesting. Convert to base 64. Yeah, क्या कहना छोड़ो. So where I was like, you need any help? You there's two flags for the help thing. One is this control minus मेरे में क्यों नहीं चलता? ls/h. So there चला नहीं है. अरे छोटा वर्जन भी तो था. चल अभी नहीं चल रहा. लिनक्स सिस्टम में पहले चलता था. ये देखो ना, है ना. ls/h is there, but it's not working. It's generally simply worked like ls. Leave it, guys. I don't know why. So any help you need, you can go with curl /help. It's a simple way. No, this is also not working. I don't know. It might be some another reason. So system information. These are general command which I generally run when I go into some another system. Generally, who am I? Displays current username. ID returns the user ID like host name. It will go and generally present work directory is configured for networking part. IP shows my IP, nets and network status. SS ability to investigate sockets. PS process status. Who displays who logged in. So like simply I go with who root ने login किया this time पे and just ने login किया this time पे. So yeah, just a second. I need to message a friend about something. Sir, Mr. Robot किसने लिखा? Sir, you told me yesterday that you will tell me the username and password. अरे हाँ यार, मैं भूल गया. Sorry यार. I will do it. Yes, I am in root directory. I know. So everything clear till now? Clear, clear, clear to everyone. About the Linux command. Like I will show you Linux command also. होम डायरेक्टरी में कैसे जाते हैं? अरे एग्जिट करके back to normal user. So like a simply who am I? User ID. गैप नहीं था ना मेरे ख्याल से. यूजर आईडी, यूजर आईडी के वो क्या था, देखते हैं ना। आईडी सिंपल आईडी था, दैट्स माय आईडी, ओके। And some another command I should go with present work directory, home, I am in the home and Vikram directory. uh Sidesh, देखो, like, I am pretty much old in the Linux, so don't think I don't know the meaning of it. ये मैंने सोचा था वैसे करने का। Someone told, sir, use sudo rmrf, let's do it. साइबर शक्ति ना हो ये, बस उबंटू वाला हो, उसका मुझे पासवर्ड भी नहीं याद। लेट्स सी। Ah, the beauty of Linux is it generally works very well with the hardware. You buy anything, it works. Sanchit, you really think that I am dead now? मैं VMware में चलने वाला हूँ इसको, बट चल नहीं रहा VMware मेरा। मैं भूल गया वो कौन सी मशीन थी। या आई विल लेट यू नो। हाँ, ये रही Ubuntu। You will see what will happen. Let's enter the lens pipe. That's the general curiosity people have. Yeah, last minute। इम्यूनिटी कहाँ पे है इसका? 1 2 का इम्यूलेटर कहाँ पे होगा? ओपन करना। So who am I? Marlin Spike sudo, sudo के लिए पासवर्ड चाहिए क्या? Marlin let's guess it। Marlin, yeah, I am in root directory, I am sudo user। So मैंने कभी किया नहीं इसको। You will see some magic here। हुआ है कि नहीं? या कुछ तो हुआ है ना? Just wait for a time। करेंगे अभी भी रिस्पॉन्सिव है, लेकिन हाउ इट शुड डिलीट एवरीथिंग। संचित, आर एम आर एस, अच्छा ठीक है, तो रहा था। और यप, याद आ गया। तो यू विल सी समथिंग। अरे हाँ यार, द मशीन विल क्रैश, दैट्स द कमांड। Oh, anyone don't use this command। uh, you will see the machine is not responsive now, like it's gone for forever। So yeah, नो प्रिजर्व रूट कर देते ना तो पूरी उड़ जाती, लाइक सिस्टम क्रैश हो जाता। So power of it. Okay. Login by SSH. You know anyone knows the SSH, about SSH? What is SSH? Yeah, it's a secure shell. Secure sockets host via. Yeah, it's secure shell. Generally used to connect with the Linux systems. Like Windows के लिए आप कर सकते हैं, but हम कम करते हैं. I didn't use it for Windows. You can SSH by username and at the IP address, and boom, you will enter the password and you are also there. And or there is a one simple way, like you will find the key for SSH, like it's there is a key. So you can simply do sudo at the rate this at the rate ID underscore RSA key. So you can simply SSH into any system. आईडी इज अ कमांड हु एम आई आपने मैंने अभी यूज किया ही है आपको पता लगता है आपकी यूजर आईडी क्या है यूनेम से आपको आइडिया लग जाता है कि आपका यूजर नेम क्या है यूनेम आर अबाउट लिनक्स एक्सेस लेट्स डू इट लेट्स डू दिस let's do the hack the box exercise today you will know about it a little just wait for a second let the user come okay yep टारगेट नहीं है ना बट अभी रुक जाओ okay let's go let's clear everything so first thing I should go with who am I ये थोड़ा ऊपर हो गया ना okay so yes I am here Hmm. so first question क्या है machine hardware name and submit it add a answer so you name Linux क्या था मशीन का हार्डवेयर नेम के लिए कमांड क्या थी यू कैन सर्च इट हियर you use command to define up the command page and you name R for hardware था क्या no no it's not for hardware name clear till now अरे एसएसएच तो किया ही नहीं मैंने टारगेट पे सॉरी 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 एसएसएच तो मैंने किया ही नहीं सॉरी सिक्योर शेल मैं भूल गया यूजर नेम यूजर नेम को कॉपी करो go here paste here ये some that's how SSH is done at the rate 10.129.178.131 so it will क्या है yes Password you have here. Uh, Password is here. I need to copy it. Copy. Go here and paste it, and it should work. So yeah, now I am in the sir. How to set up SOC lab? करो यार ये तो. Sir, I will pursuing certificate ethical hacker. Good. Vanakkam. Hindi da you we can. Sir, how to set up? Okay, sure. So let's check who I am now. I am STB student. Let's know. So सिस्टम हार्डवेयर की कमांड क्या थी मैं भूल गया. यू नेम स्लैश एच है क्या. लेट्स सी. यू इफ एनीवन फॉरगॉट दिस कमांड ना मैं तो भूल जाता हूँ. ठीक है मैं अच्छा नहीं हूँ इस चीज़ों में कमांड याद रखने में. तो जो जनरली यूज होती हैं इन रियलिटी those things I remember, but these things I generally forgot about it. In Linux, come on. I will be sharing it and let's try lab release it. नहीं ये नहीं है LSP sudo uname के साथ ही है. Yep, it's I. Uh, Hardware info LSH no no. Let's use this. मैंने तो इसके बारे में कभी सुना नहीं है. Uname आई नहीं थी क्या? Let's see. Uname आई के साथ देखते हैं. Yep, Uname आई. MH Omkar, which imported PDF you are knowing what, sir? Can you tell to certificate, please? Please. होता है. So yeah, hardware information ऐसे आ गई आपकी. Simply, what is the part to the HTTP student direct HTTP home directory? ये तो बहुत simple नहीं है. Let's see what's my present work directory. That's my home directory. Sir, will tomorrow CTF through HTTP? Yeah, I will do it. Sir, attendance कहाँ ले लूँगा? अरे हाँ, attendance लेता हूँ ना. Just एक second दो मुझे. I am going to share the attendance now in the chat. So yeah, just a minute. I am sharing. स्क्रीन बंद करनी पड़ती है ना. मंगना पड़ेगा. Yep, I am going to share. बूट कैंप के जो रिसोर्स है ना वो डिस्क्रिप्शन में पिंड है. सो यार थोड़े टाइम के लिए मैंने यहाँ पे लगा दिया. सो एवरी विल नो कि अटेंडेंस शो हो रही है. आ गया है अभी अटेंडेंस लिंक आ गया है. यू कैन सी इट. किस कमेंट को रिमूव कर सकता हूँ. रिमूव कर सकता हूँ. सिद्धार्थ एच मैंने कर लिया है. कुछ मेरे पास हैक द बॉक्स के सर्टिफिकेट है. पेन हैक सकता हूँ. कर्नल रिलीज इनिशियलाइज छोड़ो ये सब. यू कैन डू. This is a simple command like this. So let's come with navigation. Navigation is a must thing. We have to do it. Like we know all the DevTown video print screen. अरे यार सॉरी सॉरी ये कब पिन हो गया मैं तो टेंडर्स पिन की थी अपनी टेंडर्स मैंने भेजी थी ना अभी कहाँ गई टेंडर्स अभी तो भेजी थी जस्ट सॉरी या आई विल डू इट ओके so ls command show what are the directories accessible to me from the directory I am. Sir, will tomorrow CTF through HTTP? Yeah, tomorrow will be CTF through HTTP. Okay. LSL, list the permissions I have, like X is for execute, R is for read, W is for write, and DR is a directory. Type permissions to number of hard links to file. दो हार्ड लिंक कितना है यूजर नेम ओनर ऑफ द फाइल HTTP Academy ये वैसे जहाँ पे जो शो रहा है ना HTTP Academy it's like the group owner of the file and directory. Like there is a group active directory thing working here. LSL war. So yeah, there are many commands here. What is the name of the hidden directory history file in the HTTP user? देखते हैं यूजर की होम डायरेक्टरी में जाते हैं सॉरी यूजर की होम डायरेक्टरी में जाते हैं तो प्रेजेंट वर्क डायरेक्टरी मेरी कौन सी है तो मुझे जाना है होम डायरेक्टरी में आई एम गोइंग टू होम अरे जोन देखिए आई एम गोइंग टू होम डायरेक्टरी ठीक है आई एम इन होम डायरेक्टरी ओके सॉरी remove pin message sir okay Hmm. Yeah, I will remove the message now. Right, current comment चलेगा चल गया हाँ I removed the link now. मेरा फेस क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है फ्लिकर क्यों हो रहा है ठीक है so yeah like you will see फेस काफी फ्लिकर हो रहा है ना so yeah so how to find the hidden directory hidden files like ls करूंगा ना तो मुझे सिर्फ ये हिडन नहीं है ये मैं एक्सेसिबल है बट ls a करूंगा ना तो हिडन फाइल्स आ जाएंगी मेरे पास डॉट हैपन यहाँ पे तो हिडन फाइल है ही नहीं कोई हिस्ट्री फाइल HTTP यूजर सॉरी आई हैव टू सी इन दिस HTTP यूजर पे जाना था मुझे यूजर्स प्लस CD यहाँ पे टैब काम करता है नहीं करेगा कॉपी ls/a So yeah, this is the history file here. You can see this is the answer here. So similarly, you can do these things by yourself. या रूट डायरेक्टरी में चले जाओगे साथ ही इसके साथ, अरे होम डायरेक्टरी में चले जाओगे सिंपली, बट वो यूजर डायरेक्टरी में था ना उसकी, इट वाज इन यूजर डायरेक्टरी। अरे नहीं 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 नहीं, एटीसी हिस्ट्री अलग थिंग है। वो तो सिस्टम की होगी ना हिस्ट्री रूट की। क्रिएट मूव एंड कॉपी टच, आपको पता ही है फाइल, यूज टू क्रिएट अ न्यू फाइल, मेक डायरेक्टरीज में यूज टू मेक द न्यू डायरेक्टरी, info डॉट टीएक्सटी बनानी होगी टच, info डॉट टीएक्सटी, मेक डायरेक्टरी फाइल बनानी होगी तो info टच कमांड, डायरेक्टरी बनानी है तो स्टोर mkdir। सो मेक डायरेक्टरी भी हमने दे दिया, पेरेंट डायरेक्टरी उसकी होगी स्टोरेज लोकल यूजर एंड डॉक्यूमेंट। सो इट विल बी मेक डायरेक्टरी in the parent directory of storage local user document, like after document there will be some like there's a document directory after user। सो ट्री डॉट ट्री कमांड जैसे आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे काफी वो हो जाएगा, इफ आई यूज ट्री ना, तो एक पूरा स्ट्रक्चर आ जाता है मेरे आगे, लाइक आई गोट अ होल स्ट्रक्चर, लाइक दिस इज हाउ द ट्री वर्क्स। ओके, लेट्स क्लियर इट आउट। क्लियर कमांड अच्छी है ना, काश लाइफ में भी होती। सो क्रिएट यूजर इन्फो डॉट टी सो टच, यू कैन यूज नैनो ऑल्सो, बट लाइक टच का ये फायदा है ना, it will just create file, don't open it, nano will open that file for you to at that moment। So move use to file and directory, rename the file, like move this storage in the storage command, move info.txt to information.txt, so it will move it, can continue to be used kar sakte ho, cat command is also there, copy this command to this command, it's like control C of command line interface। So everyone clear till now? ये चलता है क्या? हाँ। Everyone clear till now? Yes sir sir, relatable enough, मतलब, ओह उसकी बात के लिए सॉरी सर। So nice। What is the latest name of the last modified command? You can do it yourself, like it's a bro, डॉट बी ए की फाइल्स पता है किसी को क्या होता है? Yes, clear with clear sir, comment of the year। Yeah, to create file, nice। Yes sir, you understood। Yes sir, understood, sorry। Yes sir, clear clear। So सबको क्लियर कमांड क्लियर है, एवरीवन इज क्लियर विद द क्लियर कमांड। What a foolish thing I am asking। So editing file, there are two tools, nano। So simply there is a, I will see, I will tell you, there are two file editors, nano versus sim। ये अच्छा टॉपिक है एक, अरे सॉरी। So this is like nano versus vim to use, like it's a great topic for Linux community। So there is a cult following of Nano, which is simple, easy, and just do it. And there is a cult following for Vim also. Like Vim take times. Like Vim is a like better also. Like I can Vim D. So slash right and Q. Okay. So Vim D and W Q. Q quit हो गया ना? Vim D। अरे हाँ क्या था यार, वो कमांड बोल गया मैं Vim को यूज करने की। क्यों? W. तो आप you can use Vim in this way. Sir, please pin the attendance. यार मैं कर चुका हूँ एक बार ये काम. V, this is used for quitting it. Vimulator I never used it. Vim is a powerful. अच्छा example आ जाती है उसकी. ठीक है. SL is a train command. Yeah, SL is a train command, पर install करनी पड़ती है. Let's quit it out. तो SL मेरे में installed है. It's animation नहीं है. Sudo apt install SL मैंने डाला तो था इसका package. Let's see if it's there. Yep, it's there. SL is a funny language, which is like funny command which was created in this way. Like people generally forgot. They missed LSSL. Yes, Adhika, I understand. So SL with a sleeping train here. There are many things you can do with Linux. That's how customability works. Which Python, like which is like ये generally मैं बताता होता हूँ. Like which Python, if you create a virtual environment, you can change the Python. Yeah, C matrix also a interesting command. मेरे में है कि नहीं है ना like hackers movie studios generally which you usually use kernel Linux kali Linux I use other than अच्छा other than Linux other than Linux कौन सा पता ही नहीं यार मुझे सच बताऊं तो Linux का ही 4% शेयर है उसके आगे वाला तो what do you hardware do you have to use for Linux any hardware works here okay optional access there is netcat too so it's nice WCL you can search about it like you will search what is WC/L is used you will see masking the command WC generally use होगा ये अटेंडेंस का लिंक आ गया था मुझे किसी ने कहा था हटा दो मैंने हटा दिया शायद दोबारा पेस्ट करके देखता हूँ ना ना, अब नहीं मैं देने वाला अटेंडेंस लिंक में कहाँ ढूंढूंगा यार अब I have done I have once in the chat given the attendance I don't want to do it now छोड़ो attendance I have given I have once pasted the lecture attendance in the lecture. So file descriptor like फाइल की info चाहिए ना तो आपको फाइल डिस्क्रिप्टर फाइल like find etc name shadow find command takes too much time अगर कोई डिवाइस embedded devices मतलब जिनमें लो रैम्स होती हैं it can still work so the yeah there was a classic meme about Linux minimum requirement for Linux. There was a classic meme for Linux meme. It was the best decision of my life using. ये देखो ना आप जनरली देखोगे मैक ओएस रिक्वायरमेंट विंडो रिक्वायरमेंट लिनक्स रिक्वायर्ड जस्ट इफ योर कंप्यूटर वर्क्स इट जस्ट अगर बूट लोडर चल रहा है ना यू कैन यूज लिनक्स दैट्स हाउ द ब्यूटी ऑफ लिनक्स इज you can use Linux on can you paste it again yeah okay I will paste it at the end of the lecture and I gave it so I am pasting it Nah, customizable Lord Linux. Yeah, it's true. I think ThinkPad laptop sometimes I don't need battery. हाँ यार, वैसे आपको बताओ ना, अगर लिनक्स के सच्ची कंपैटिबिलिटी इश्यूज का आपको नहीं फेस करना, लाइक ड्राइवर वाले इशू के लिए ज्यादा नहीं करना आपने, तो यू कैन सिंपली गो विद ना थिंकपैड सीरीज. थिंकपैड सीरीज इज लाइक द नोकिया ऑफ द लैपटॉप्स. अरे टेंडस लिंक मेरे ख्याल से गलत तो नहीं चले गया पहले. सर बट गेमिंग लैपटॉप यूजर सर, आई एम इट्स लॉस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द इंटरनेट इशू. यार ये मजाक मत करो यार मेरे साथ, मैं भी स्टूडेंट था. सो अटेंडेंस मैंने पेस्ट कर दिया है दोबारा. आई हैव पेस्टेड अटेंडेंस वंस अगेन. cat command last lecture cat this, it will concatenate the files. Yeah, DJ, you are still at pipes, you can leave it. So done with Linux terminal setup. Someone asked me to go for it, like there was 15 to 20 queries about Linux, how to use Linux, what to use Linux. So I told it about it today. Project coding problem, sir. I need 2-3 minutes project, sir. 2-3 मिनट में आप कौन सा प्रोजेक्ट कर लोगे? So goodbye everyone. I am done with today's lecture. Uh, Next time Ansel, go with grub bootloader video. Like you have to solve two issues here. होम लैब सेटअप कर लो ना, सबसे इजी प्रोजेक्ट. बाय बाय एवरीवन. थैंक यू.